Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and remove any obstructing case so lenses are clear. Now open the Samsung Camera app. This is the hub for all lenses. Once opened, grant camera, microphone, and location permissions so features work reliably. You do this because the app tailors modes to permissions. Without them, some lenses or stabilization may not engage. Once the app is ready, notice the mode strip and lens icons at the top right. Next, you switch lenses and learn their best use cases. Tap 0. 5x for the ultrawide to capture wider scenes, 1x for the main high-resolution camera, and 2x for telephoto style zoom. Tap lens icons for exact selection. Use Pro mode on the main camera to control ISO and shutter speed for low light, and pick macro or super macro for close subjects, a position within the focal distance. Once you practice switching, you'll understand why. To finish, frame and finalize shots. Enable HDR or night mode where needed and stabilize the phone or mount it on a tripod for sharp results. After capture, open gallery and check image info to confirm the lens and resolution used, so you know what to expect for editing. If a lens button is missing or images are glitchy, force close the camera app, clear its cache in settings, and restart the phone. That sequence fixes most software lens issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.